Hi, today I will guide you on how to send messages using Starla Connect. Let me quickly explain why this feature is so powerful. Imagine you want to send a message to a personal contact, but at the same time, you also need to communicate with multiple groups or even dozens of contacts consecutively. Doing this manually can be time-consuming and prone to errors. With Starla Connect, you can streamline this process effortlessly. Whether you're managing a campaign, sharing updates, or sending reminders, you can easily send messages to personal contacts or multiple groups in just a few simple steps, all while maintaining a professional and efficient workflow. Now, let's get started and I'll show you how easy it is to make this happen. First, go to the starla.me login page and click on Sign in to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Send Now menu. Here, select your profile to begin. Start typing the name of any saved contact or group that you're already a part of. Select all the contacts and groups you want to send your message to. Next, upload one media file such as an image, video, or document. For this tutorial, I'll upload an image as an example. After that, type your message. You can personalize it by including icons and emojis to make it more engaging. Once you're ready, click on the Send Now button. Your message will be added to the queue and will automatically start sending when there are no other queued messages for your selected profile. That's it. Sit back and relax while your AI assistant takes care of the rest. Meanwhile, you can check your WhatsApp to confirm that the messages are being sent properly. Thank you for watching and enjoy the efficiency of Starla Connect.